Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over if your Messenger stories are not working or not showing up. So if you're in Messenger as I am here and you don't see the stories at the very top, these are a couple things that you can do. One is you can tap on the little profile icon on the top left. And then if you scroll down, you'll see the option under preferences called story. Tap on that and then you can see who can see your story, friends. And then you can see hide story from. You can go through here and hide your story, but at the very bottom is what we want to go to, stories you've muted. So if you go here, these are people that you potentially muted their story. So you want to go in here and make sure that everybody is unchecked. So you don't want to mute anybody's story, or maybe you do. But if you're looking for somebody's story and you can't find it, make sure you haven't muted their story. Otherwise, you won't get told about that story. The second thing that you can do is you can offload the app or remove the cache. So if you go into settings here, and then you go on general, and then to iPhone storage. Basically what you can do is you can find Messenger and you can offload the app, which basically is equivalent to deleting the cache that's associated with that app. So I will just go down here. Okay, there's Messenger. And what I can do is I can tap offload app. And what this does is it removes all the recent cache and then tap reinstall. And basically what this will do is re-import all the stories and your chats. This won't delete anything at all. It's just kind of refreshing the app on your device. And then you can go back into Messenger after it's fully loaded. And you should have all those stories there to be able to see the stories and to be able to go there and view those. I hope this helped. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks.